Welcome the our channel. Today we how to verify your profile on TikTok, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your profile on TikTok, you need to meet specific criteria. First, ensure your account is set to public. Next, make sure you have a sufficient follower count. Generally, you should have at least 1,000 followers. Create original and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Consistency in posting will help boost your visibility. Engage with your followers through comments and direct messages. Participate in trending challenges to increase your reach. Use relevant hashtags to get your content discovered. Make sure your profile is complete with a profile photo and bio. Craft a clear and interesting bio that reflects your brand. Next, consider connecting your TikTok account to other social media platforms. Linking platforms like Instagram or YouTube can enhance your credibility. Once you've built a solid following and consistent engagement, you can apply for verification. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile page. Tap on the three dots or the ellipsis in the upper right corner. Select Manage Account from the menu. Scroll down to find the verification section. Follow the prompts to submit your request for verification. You may need to provide additional information, such as a phone number or email. Be patient, as verification can take some time. Check your notifications regularly for any updates on your request. If your request is denied, continue to grow your account and reapply later. Remember, there are no guaranteed quick paths to verification. Stay active and engaged in the TikTok community for the best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.